This is the part number. This is the part, comes with a key, and that's the back, same as the part that came out. I've already taken out the switch and this bolt. That bolt doesn't need to come out, it's broke. And there's a bolt that goes right down there. Part, press it down. That is pressed down. Line everything up, line it up like that. Press it down and voila. It's a 3/8 self-threading into the plastic, fitting right here, right above your rear tire. There's a T30 on the very front. So tell it's right beside the weight adjustment. This is a 3/8, goes right between the motor and the unit.